I know that you watch these videos and you think that I am always happy, that I am nice, that I love everyone, that I love everything. Wrong. There's a lot of things, a lot of people that drive me crazy, that make me mad, that grind my gears. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today is the first video of a series of videos. There will be many videos in this series. And this series is about things that drive me crazy, that make me mad, that grind my gears, that upset me. Things I can't stand. Things that just thinking about them make me want to explode. These are things that in English we call pet peeves. Things that, make you upset. Things that make you mad. Also, you can say that it grinds your gears. It grinds my gears. It drives me crazy. I can't stand it. So, without further ado, the first thing. This thing I didn't realize it drove me crazy until I moved to Spain. I didn't realize because it's about public transportation. And in the United States, where I lived, there wasn't much public transportation. There were buses, but I never, ever took the bus. And here in Madrid, I use public transportation every single day. The metro, the bus, the train, I use public transportation a lot. And there's something that people do on public transportation that I cannot stand. Talk on the phone. People talk on the phone extremely loud. Here in Spain, they talk on the phone like they're talking to a friend, or even louder, as if they're shouting on public transportation, on the train, on the metro, in the subway. We're underground. And you're in that train that's closed. Already for me, I'm a little nervous, a little uncomfortable. And you talk on the phone, it's crazy. People make a lot of noise on public transportation in Spain. Talking to each other, laughing, talking on the phone, and even people playing music. Music, actual instruments. They bring instruments to play music, normally on the metro. They sing or they play guitar on the metro to make money. But on the metro, I want to read, or I want to listen to my music, or I just want to think. I don't want to listen to other people. And they start playing music. And normally, they're not very good. Sometimes, once in a while, not always, no. Sometimes they're pretty good. But I didn't pay like a concert. When I want to listen to music, I pay money to go to a concert. No, On the metro, you have no choice. I know. When I'm on public transportation, I like to read. I like to relax. I sometimes talk if I'm with my friends. Sometimes. But when I talk, I'm a little quiet. I don't speak very loud. No, I speak a little softer, a little quieter, because I know other people are around me. And some people, they don't care. They talk and talk. They get on the phone. Hey, how you doing? You wanna hang out later? Get off the bus and call your friend. Wait, and talk when you get off the bus. It drives me crazy. And then I went to South Korea. And on the metro, the bus, anywhere that you're taking public transportation, it's quiet. No. It's silent. There's no one talking. No noise. No one playing the guitar. No one watching TikToks without headphones. No. Oh, it was like heaven. It was like heaven, as if I had died and gone to heaven with the angels. I was, so happy. It was amazing. In South Korea, the culture is very different. It's not the same. No, it's very different than in Spain. In South Korea, on public transport, you are silent. And those moments on the train, on the subway, underground, on a bus, it was relaxing. And then I came back to Spain. And the people were talking and playing guitar and laughing. And you know what? I like Spain. I love Spain. But those people that talk on the phone, that yell, that play guitar, they grind my gears. It's a pet peeve of mine. Let me relax. After work, when I'm coming home, let me relax when I'm riding the subway or when I'm in a bus. Please. What do you think about this? Do people talking on the phone or speaking loudly on public transportation grind your gears? Does it grind your gears like me? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more pet peeves of mine and watch more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.